Elodia's collection. Kaya nyo kayo lang.
Tapos meron akong character na bago.
Sabihin ko na lang. Sabi ko, yeah, yun na lang, diretso.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Rolling.
4, 3, 2, go.
On next convention, come with me naman. Let's cosplay together. So, you're gonna help me out? Yeah, I know the perfect character for you. Sino? Sabi mo kanina ba? Iron Man! As long as you make him pink. I'm the Iron Man? Oh my God. The end is near. Sige, next time I'm gonna come back and you're gonna help me with the cosplay. Yeah. Game.
Cut. Okay, okay.